Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, January 20th, 2021. Today's video is about Christchurch Art Gallery. The Christchurch Art Gallery is the public art gallery of the city of Christchurch, New Zealand. Opened in 2003, it replaced the previous building, the Robert McDougall Art Gallery, which had opened 70 years earlier. Designed to withstand seismic events, the gallery's foundations rest on a concrete raft slab that lies on the surface of the ground. Nevertheless, the building sustained some damage in the 2011 Christchurch earthquake that devastated much of the city, and it subsequently served as the civil defense headquarters during reconstruction work. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.